Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, before we move towards our today's lesson, let's give a look at what we learned in previous lesson. Well, in previous lesson we learned a few vocabulary words and how to say two of the seasons in Urdu. As what do we call those seasons in Urdu? You can always go and watch the video lesson again. Now let's begin with our today's lesson. First, let's learn some vocabulary words. Alright? The first word, sun. Sun. In English we say sun, and in Urdu, Suraj. Suraj. In English, we say moon, moon, and in Urdu, chand, chand. In English, we say clouds, and in Urdu, badal, badal. Let's say these words one more time. Let's repeat these words one more time. Sun. The day begins when the sun rises, right? Sun in English, and in Urdu, Suraj. Moon. Well, when night comes, there is moon. In English, we say moon, and in Urdu, chand. Chand. Okay, clouds. When clouds come, the rain comes mostly. In English, we say clouds. In Urdu, badal. Badal. Repeat many times for practice. Alright? Okay. So, we say this. In English, we say this. When we are pointing at something and it is close to us, we say this. And in Urdu, it is ye. Ye. Then we say that. When something is far away and it's not close to us, we say that. When we are pointing at something which is far away, we say that. In English, we say that. And in Urdu, it is wo. Wo. This, ye. That, wo. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright. Now, let's learn to say, the season, fall. Fall season. We also call this season autumn. And in Urdu, we say khizan. Khizan. Then spring. The season, spring. In English, we say spring. And in Urdu, bahar. 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 Let's repeat one more time. In English, we call the season fall or autumn. And in Urdu, we say khizan. Khizan. Then in English, we say spring. And in Urdu, it is bahar. Repeat many times for practice, alright? Okay. Alright, let's see how to say Thursday in Urdu. Thursday is one of the days of the week. That's right. We have already learned Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I hope that you do remember them. You can always go back and watch the lesson again and learn. Now, today we will learn how to say Thursday in Urdu. So, in English we say Thursday, and in Urdu it is Jummerat. 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 Repeat many times for practice, okay? All right, so what is that? Let's say, now let's learn. What is that? When we are asking a question, and in this case, right now, we can see an image and it's far away. So we are saying, what is that? And in Urdu, if we are asking, we are going to say, वो क्या है? वो क्या है? Then in reply to this question, we are going to say, that is moon. That is moon. Why? Because it's far away, so we are saying that. Do you remember how do we say that in Urdu? We say wo. And how about moon? How do we say moon in Urdu? Yes, that's right. We say chand. So, we say वो चांद है. That is moon. वो चांद है. Now let's repeat one more time. In English we say, what is that? In Urdu it is, वो क्या है? In reply to this question we say, whatever in front of us. So right now in front of us is moon. So we are going to say, whatever is in front of us. In this case right now, there is moon on the screen. So we are going to say, that is moon. And in Urdu it is, वो चांद है. वो चांद है. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, so here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you have understood everything nicely. This is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you again into the next lesson. Till then, revise more and more and repeat many times for practice. See you again. Take care. Allah Hafiz.